Okay. All right. So let's jump into it. I want to show you how to make this little treat, this little heart pocket. I've made these for all kinds of things. We even made them one time in my faith journaling group, and we put them on in our Bibles to tuck in little things. They're just really fun to make for all types of things. So what you're going to need for this is going to be a piece of paper. It does work best if it's double-sided paper. So if you'll see, this one right here has a stripe, cute little diagonal stripe on the back. This one, I just kind of grabbed some. This one has a white polka dot, and then it reverses to kind of a lighter polka dot. This one has pink hearts on it, and then little cute little birds and hearts on the other side. So you could do these, make these with all kinds of papers, and these could be cute even for like a bridal shower, a baby shower. I think anything that you need a little favor for. They're just super cute and very, very easy to make. Okay. Oh, there's 2 quilt shops. Oh, yay. Okay, good. Thank you. Yes, I've been getting lots of recommendations from people, so that's exciting. I'm going to start with this piece of paper right here because I do want to give you some measurements. And so basically the measurement you're going to need for these hearts, and you can make them in different sizes. You can make a really big pocket down to a really small pocket, but it needs to be a rectangle. So this one right here, this is 6 inches. 6 inches by 9 inches. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. So 6 inches by 9 inches. Okay. And then if you want to make a bigger one, you would do 7 by 10, right? If you want to do smaller, you do 5 by 8. So just decrease everything by an inch or increase everything by an inch, and you can make all different sizes of hearts. Okay. This is, you can just use regular scrapbook paper or cardstock. I mean, really any kind of paper. I think these could even be really cute and sweet, even out of book pages or something like that. You can use really whatever you want. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this paper again. This one I have cut 6 by 9. Okay. I think it's a good size for a treat pocket. And the first thing we're going to do is just fold it. We call this a hot dog. We're going to make a hot dog from this paper and just fold it. Okay, just fold it just like that. All right, I think everybody can see that. And then if you want to, you can draw this out or you can just cut this out. Oh, here's my friction pin. I'll use my friction pin here. I usually just cut them. It's just easier for me. But right here at the top, we're just going to kind of create, you know, that kind of heart shape. That, I don't know if you can even see that with all the polka dots. There you go. Just that kind of heart shape right there. And you don't need a template for this. Like I said, I've cut these. I've just freehand cut these. Just something like that. Okay. Very easy to do. Very, very easy to do. Now we're going to open our piece back up, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay. Very easy to do. We're just going to make that kind of, you know, that kind of shoulder of the heart. We're going to make that little shape up there. And now the next step is we're going to fold. And you can fold this. I usually keep mine just slightly lower than where the little valley is for the heart. Let me fold this and then I'll hold it up for you. Just slightly lower. We don't want it to go over. We don't want it to go over that little valley of the heart. So I just have it slightly lower than that. Okay. Everybody got that? You can still kind of see your fold here. And then the next step is we're going to take the bottom corner and just fold up to where you see that center crease. And it's okay if you've got a little bit of, you know, you actually want to see the crease. So it's okay if there's just a little bit of a gap. And you pull these together. Okay, so this is your next step. Just pulling those up. Okay, just pulling those up. And now we're going to put our hands inside the pocket. See, my fingers are inside the pocket. And I'm just going to fold this part down. It seriously is just that easy. I think they're so cute. So when you turn it around, you're going to see these little corners here. And I like to just put a little drop of hot glue on those corners. You could just use your regular craft glue too, or a tape runner or something. And then we're just going to fold those corners to the back. And that keeps your pocket from unfolding. Isn't that just the cutest? So now you can see, I'll just kind of open it up here. It is so easy. It's so easy, right? Like, you know, your kids can make these. If you have kids or grandkids, they can make them out of construction paper for their teachers or something. But I just think they're so cute. It makes a really adorable little heart pocket. Now, this one, like I said, was 6 by 9. So let me show you this one. This one is a little smaller. Do you see? So this sample was 5 by 8. So you need a rectangle, and everything can, like I said, I usually, you know, if I want to go bigger, I'll go an inch. I'll add an inch to each measurement. If I want to go smaller, I'll take away an inch. But aren't those cute? I mean, it's just that cute, and it's that easy. You could just fill it with goodies just like this and give it. Obviously, if you have some cute heart punches, or, you know, some cute Valentine ribbons or trims, buttons, heart stickers, Valentine stickers, you know, all those kinds of things. You can decorate them up however you want. And I do think it's kind of cute if they're a little hanging pocket, right? Isn't that fun? Yeah, they're so, so fun. Okay, well, let's do it again. I feel like I like to see things happen more than once. So let's do this size right here. All right, this is hearts, and it has sweet little birds on it, because I want you to see that really these don't have to just be for Valentine's Day. They're cute for anything. Okay, so again, we're going to do the hot dog fold. Okay, we're going to, this time I'm not going to draw it. I'm just going to cut it. We're going to cut kind of the heart shape up here at the top. And we're going to open it up. Okay, super easy. Thank you. This is my new shirt from the framed t-shirt subscription. I thought it was really cute. Okay, and now the next step is I'm just going to put this up. Now remember, don't go over that little, the little valley here between the shoulders of the heart. Okay, you'll see. So we're going to keep it just a little bit below, just a tiny bit below that valley right there. All right. Now our next step, once we've done this, is we're going to take the bottom corner and we're going to kind of fold up to the center crease. Oh, I didn't think about these being directional hearts, but I think it'll still be cute. We're going to do the same thing with the other side, and just kind of push it down, depending on how thick your paper is. If you need to use like a bone folder or something to help you with the folds, you can. So when you get to this stage, I just put my fingers inside the pocket, and fold this part down. I'm going to turn it over. Little drop of hot glue, and fold these to the back. And this is what keeps it together. I mean, they're just the simplest thing ever. They're so cute. And now I have another little heart pocket. And of course you can decorate these, right? So, maybe you want to add some cute little trim, or this one's so sweet. It could be cute with maybe a little rickrack as the hanger, right? So obviously the bigger your rectangle, the bigger the heart pocket that you get. Isn't that sweet? So these two, I think these two are the same size. I don't know. Maybe this one is a little smaller. But again, you can make them. No, I think they are the same size. Yeah. You can make them any size you want. All right, let's do one more. All right. I figure you see this happen 3 times. In fact, if you are watching, if you have just a scrap piece of paper, you should just grab a piece of paper and make yourself a little prototype. Okay. They're just so quick and so easy. All right. Let's do this one. And again, if you're thinking like wedding or bridal shower, they have some beautiful scrapbook papers out there that you could use. But also, I think even music paper, if you made them out of music paper, that would be so pretty. Book pages, again, could be really pretty. So again, I'm going to cut this out, and you feel free to draw this, but after you've drawn a few, you don't really have to draw them. They're just easy to cut. I grabbed these out of my stash, so I'm not really sure what these papers are. I think this is Simple Stories. I think this was Bella Boulevard, and I don't remember what the other one is. Echo Park, I think. All right, so I'm going to open this one up. Right, we're going to go just below the valley, just ever so slightly below the valley. Actually, which way do I want to do this? You have to kind of think, do I want to see the stripe? Ooh, let's do this one this way. Let's see what this one looks like this way. Okay, so I'm going to go a little, again, just a little below the valley of the heart right there. Fold it. Super easy. I like to kind of fold it like that so I can see the fold line again. And then this piece, the bottom corner goes up. Let's see how the diagonal stripe looks. Ooh, that looks cool. I think I need to, I think I went over a little too far. Oh, I like that. Look, see how it meets kind of offset. That looks kind of cool. All right, and now my hands go in the pocket. And I fold this piece back. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. And again, dot of hot glue, dot of hot glue. And then you can decorate them. And you can put flowers on them or hearts on them or give them cute ribbon hangers or twine hangers. Pull out your punches, your buttons, all your cute little embellishments. And there we go. I have another heart. This is the bigger one. This is this size. I think this size is a great size. This is a great size for like a cookie, any kind of little candies. Really, really great for a fun little Valentine's treat, right? Little treats, small gifts, little somethings. And like I said, you can embellish them to however you want, right? You can make them as fussy as you want or as simple as you want. Just think about who they're going to. These are some that I made. I'm just going to show you a few out of other papers. So this is even bigger. Look, this is even bigger. So this is the next size up. So this was 6 by 9. This one's 7 by 10. Right? Isn't that cool? So you can get really big with these if you want to. Here's one just in green, some pretty green paper. This was one I used with fall paper, little leaves. They're just really fun to do. And again, if you happen to be a paper crafter, this is something great to do with some of your scraps, right? Yes, these will be really fun to make, Jenny. Definitely show your daughter that's a teacher for sure. And then, yeah, you can make up a bunch and then even just nest them kind of inside of each other until you're ready to gift them, right? They'll just kind of nest up inside. But I think they're precious. Perfect timing to show you this for Valentine's Day. Valentine's will be here before we know it. So let's grab some of those scrap papers that you have and make these little treat pockets. It's just a way to make whatever you give kind of special. Throw some candies in there, little love notes, candies, cookies, gift cards. I think you could do all kinds of things. Yeah. This size is 5. Let me think. Wait. This was 6 by 9. So this is 5 by 8. And you can go down even smaller. Okay. You could go down to a 4x7. Like you can, maybe just grab some copy paper or something and cut some different rectangles and just try them out. Okay. But a 6x9 is a great size, and 5x8. I think those two sizes are great for just little something type, treats. Okay. Aren't those fun? They really are fun.